On the modules page, you'll notice that a lot of weeks within this course have something called a practice activity tucked underneath them. Your first one is in week 2. These are very short, automatically graded quizzes that are knowledge checks as far as the content of what you've been covering in your reading. These are specifically designed to help you familiarize yourself with key concepts, key vocabulary, and to make sure you have a solid foundation before you go on to do the assessment that we'll do each week as we go on. So, if you go to your practice activity, it'll pull up your screen for your quiz. You'll notice you can take each one 2 times. They are not timed, and the highest score is what will reflect in the grade book. They are automatically scored, 12 questions, and these questions are fairly straightforward. They tend to be mostly multiple choice, matching true, false. This is an individual activity, and so please go through at your own pace and make sure that you have the information that you need. Some of the information can also be found in these optional PowerPoints that are included here. Again, these are optional, but can be another resource to look at as you're trying to find the information for these practice activities.